and you elongate it, and it becomes what we affectionately like to call a Squoval. So you're getting our 3-quart large baker. So upswept handled, updated silhouette, and then our Lidit is right there on the inside, which is fantastic. So in this case, I actually have ice under here, and then I can do my shrimp cocktail.
These are so great. You get the 3-quart Squoval baker,
yes.
You get the Lidit on top. And how about a Squoval where the Lidit fits? I'm screaming on the inside. It's brand new today. We've got Old World, Floral Lace, Woodland, and Doodle Doo, and they're 5 easy payments of $9.40. That's
is
a
amazing.
Shrimp boat.
That is a shrimp boat. It's a shrimp boat.
Okay.
I love the colors that we have this in.
Old World, we've got the confetti right here. Here's your Old World green. And I know it's kind of behind the door. Can you tuck in there and see? Thank you. There's the Old World green. There's the Old World blue. Now, I'm going to go up one and show you the floral lace in the gray, floral lace in the blue. Right next to it is the floral lace in the black. Now I'm going to slide all the way down this side onto the countertop and show you that floral lace red. Oh, the floral lace red.
I'm telling you, it's always super popular.
I love that one.
Bright. That's a true foodie red.
So there are your Old World and floral lace choices. Look what's here. We've got the Woodland. You can get the Woodland in the buttercream, and you can also get the Woodland in the white. The white is already very popular, as we figured it would be, but hold up. There's a Doodle Doo.
I mean, I gotta tell you, roosters, good luck in your kitchen. So you have the rooster there on the inside, as well as the inside of the baker. The rooster runs around all around the edges, which is fantastic. But this is everything that you've come to love from Temp-tations. We haven't done a lidded piece, a Lidit piece, in so long. Here's what we love about it. Double duty cooking. So you still have enough room. See, I haven't done that hip switch in a while.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Good.
Feels
yeah,
good.
Back in practice. You can still use the helper handles here, which is fantastic. And again, you can come out and now you have the garlic knots, and then you have the lasagna on the underneath. So double duty cooking, 2 great baking pieces that you have ready to roll.
Oh,
and those tongs.
The tongs, by the way, tongs are available.
Yes.
Little garlic knot serving.
Perfect.
Those are great for that.
Yes.
And I love a hip check tong.
Of course.
Which
They
that's
lock.
what they are.
Yes.
But here's the deal. Oven safe, obviously.
Right.
Freezer safe, dishwasher safe.
Yes.
I mean, they can do everything
Put it
that
in
our
the
other
fridge, put it in the
Temp-tations
freezer,
can do.
put it in the microwave, which is fantastic. And you have that double duty. This is one of my brilliant ideas that my mom had, and that is, again, we talk about how stoneware is a great conductor of heat, but it also is a great way to keep things hot. So keep things cold. So put some ice here in the bottom, and then look, the way I designed this Lidit is that it's going to drop in right down inside. So it actually sits recessed inside there so that you can still use those helper handles here on the side. Whether you want to bake a cake in here, you can mix right in here, take your KitchenAid hand mixer, mix everything up, bake right in here. Look at this cake. Like, are you kidding? You've now baked the cake right inside there.
It's got peeps on it.
Of course she's going for the peeps.
You gotta just let them get a little stale.
Gotta do the peeps.
You know what? I want to show the color choices
let's
again.
do it.
Here's the deal. New today, there are 11 new items in the show. You've got to order them in the show, because every time we have this 2-hour Temp-tations where we say there's new, just disappears. Our phone lines get jammed. Go to QVC.com. Use your mobile app to place your order. I'm in love with this size and shape. So we've got the floral lace in the black. We've also got floral lace in that beautiful cobalt blue. We also have it in the gray. Let's slide on down. Here's Old World in the blue. Here's Old World in the green. Sliding on over again, Old World confetti. Down below is floral lace red. If you're not sure where to go and you want to get started, I say go with the floral lace red. It's just such a beautiful year-round holiday and summertime red. Here's your Woodland stacker. Don't wait on either of the Woodland. You've got buttercream and white at your disposal right now. That's because it's new today. But don't wait on the white, please. Here is your Doodle Doo in the red.
I love
and
the
Tara,
doodle. Yes.
the doodle is
I
so
know.
cute.
And you're going to see doodle throughout the show. We really tried to kind of keep consistent with all of the colors and patterns. So 3-quart, our largest oval, updated upswept handles, beautiful Lidit, which is now your serving tray. It becomes a lid. Here we did that double duty cooking where we had the lasagna. We put the garlic knots right on top. So look how beautiful. 3 quarts. I love how you called it like a boat. It's a lasagna boat. It's a shrimp boat. So you have that great capacity here. And here's what we love. You can pull it right away from the sides. When we talk about Temp-tations 101, this is that piece, back to basics, prepping, cooking, serving, storing. all in just this one dish.
It looks so good. And
This
by
is
the way,
beautiful today.
whenever we have a Temptation show that's 2 hours and we have 11 new,
Yep.
hair goes back and the sneakers go on.
She's serious.
Because I'm not playing.
Nope.
I'm not playing.
I'm
And I
just
have
gonna
my
stay out
phone
of
in
her
my
way.
pocket
Stay
because
out
I'm
of her
going to
way.
order in this show. Hey, as we continue on in the show, keep in mind that we've already started, so you can always go to Items Recently on Air and search anything that you may have missed already. But we're going to wrap up on this one for now. What's coming up next? Oh, okay. This is the Bell sweater.